The Supreme Court laid down that the crucial test should be the presence of the espousal and support of the dispute by the union of workmen or by an appreciable number of them as on the date of reference. Arising out of this view, it is maintainable that subsequent withdrawal of support of workmen will not diminish the characteristics of the dispute, being an industrial dispute, as a reciprocal reasoning whether a dispute which was an individual dispute at the time of reference will not transform into an industrial dispute only because of a subsequent support received from a class of workmen or a union. Subsequent withdrawal of dispute by the individual workman. Upon a class of workmen or a union sponsoring the individual dispute, there is an emergency of an industrial dispute. A subsequent request made by the individual disputant for withdrawal of his dispute will not make a dispute by any the less an industrial dispute. Workmen of Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited, State of Madras. Holding the same view, the Patna High Court also stated that the principle underlying is that when an industrial dispute is raised by a union or a group of workmen on behalf of an individual workman, the dispute ceases to be one between the management and the individual workman concerned. Eastern Management and Mineral Limited, Cybersagar Industrial Tribunal Central, than are others. Once a union takes up the dispute,